Alright guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Wednesday, May 20th, 2026. And I'm finally done with finals at school. So now I'll be recording every single day. Maybe twice a day even. I'll maybe even replay and do more videos. But hopefully we'll be on a grind and I'll buy my first eval soon. Hoping on Monday, I think, is what we're really doing. All right, so what we did so far is we marked stuff out on the 15 minutes. Let's see here. Came up with a bias, I think. Let's go through this before market opens. Our market opens in 2 minutes. Oops. All right, so let's see. Let's look at the 4 hour right now. So let's turn this into lines. And looks like we're in a little bullish or bearish trend. This could be a reversal, but I'd really want to see this to be a reversal, to be honest. But yeah, so I think we're gonna be in a bearish trend. I could see us also going into the bullish reversal. But I think our bias is gonna be bearish for the day, and that is just gonna continue. Kind of marked some stuff out. Let's see on the 15 minute. 15 minute, we got some buy side liquidity here, buy side liquidity here, sell side, and sell side. Got some more up here too. We can turn on our like session, these ones. So let's see. Yeah, I kind of already got this marked out. And already taken out these highs, and then Asian session high over here, we already got marked out. So let's hide that again, and then let's go down to the 5 minute. Marked out some fair value gaps on the 5 minute and the 15 minute. 5 minute fair value gap right there. 5 minute fair value gap right there. 15 minute fair value gap right here. And then we'll be looking at the 1 minute for our confirmation, and we'll be looking at the highest time frame up to the 5 minutes for our confirmation. So market open right now. Let's see what we're gonna do. Wow, you're pumping, absolutely pumping. Oh, right up to this 5 minute fair value gap. So we got this bearish fair value gap right there, and we're gonna wait. We could just be aiming for this. So I'm gonna wait till we get past this 5 minute and then maybe take this long. Could be the shortest trading day in history, bro. Just kidding, not in history, but let's wait until this closes above this 5 minute fair value gap, because it disrespected this bearish fair value gap. Then we have this one also getting disrespected. I think we could just hit this, to be honest. If this closes above this 5 minute fair value gap. But yeah, anyways, I got done with school, got my last final in, got my last assignment in. So I'm done there. But other than that, we got the summer for free, working at the bar and then doing this full time as well. I think it'll be a fun summer. Drake just dropped the 3 albums. Low key crazy. Come on. I don't know if that actually worked. Let's see what happens. Um so that sucks. Let's just aim for this take profit. And then this for rally gap right there. Let's see what happens because I don't really know. So you got stop loss here. So we got stop loss here. So I don't know like which one I should have done, to be honest. Like that one was kind of weird. Cause that candle just continues to go faster. But we got the stop loss here, right at this 5 minute for value gap, which honestly is probably gonna get taken out. That take profits up for this buy side liquidity up here. Then we have this buy side liquidity. Oops. Then we have this buy side liquidity for this stop loss down here on this 3 minute for value gap. Let's see what happens. I think we just gotta wait. I don't know. This is only 7 minutes into our video, so we'll see. This was like not a bad trade, but like low key bad execution because I don't know. It's hard to mechanically get everything right on TradingView in time, you know? Also, that is not good. Yep, stopped out on that one. So stopped out on that higher one, which is okay because I honestly like. Oh, we're about to get stopped out again. Yep. Oh, might be edging us actually. Yeah, stopped out on both of those. Very bad trades. Very bad trades. That sucks because we inverse this 5 minute for value gap on both on the 5 minute too, which means we honestly I would have wanted to see that go higher and take that out, but this is kind of crazy. This is huge. That's a huge bearish candle right there. Holy moly, bro. Wow, okay, well I didn't really suspect that, but I mean we're not gonna trade anymore because how much money we just lost. We're still like profitable, but that's kind of crazy if you think about it, bro. Because, well, let's go on the 5 minute here. This got disrespected right here. That got disrespected right there. And then should have waited until, I think we maybe should have waited until this created any, so like maybe any bullish for value gas, but on the 1 minute, we didn't, I guess, because this got disrespected right there. Right, because this is at 8:30, so it got disrespected right at 8:30. We should have waited till this made maybe some bullish for value gaps and then took that trade. But now we got this huge down candle. We still could enter on another one. Let's get rid of this. So we got this huge fair value gap. Then we got this fair value gap still coming in. And then no fair value gap on there. So let's see. So this is where we would want this to inverse. Let's see. I mean, this could be inversing this, and then we target really low sell side liquidity. I feel like it would have wanted taken out session highs, but apparently not. But yeah, I mean, I guess we can wait. That kind of sucks that we kind of got taken out on there. I thought it would go straight up, hit this, and then reverse. Didn't want to hit that. Maybe because ES already took it out, like yesterday. But I don't know. It didn't take out this higher buy side liquidity though. Only took out the equal highs, which is probably, where is this? But that would have been way early this morning before pre market open. But I guess we can wait to see what happens with this one. I mean, I already took a trade, so actually I might just end the video right here. Otherwise, we'll just wait for a real trade. How about that? We'll wait. Okay, well that wasn't long. See, if this got inversed, I would want to take this. Yeah, I would want to take this and go higher. It doesn't look like it's gonna inverse, so I guess now it did though. It was looking like that, but inversion on our highest. I guess if there's a 3-minute, there isn't though. Highest time frame inversion. Enter market order when candle closes and inverses the fair value gap. All right, let's try this shit. But the thing is, with the market order, I did not mean to take that at all, bro. We have to close in profit now. And it doesn't even have a stop loss. Okay. Um, I don't know how to put in a stop loss like that, maybe. All right, let's. Okay, I guess I really did not want to take that, but not yet, at least. All right, let's see where this goes because now, yeah, I think it's not gonna work. I was trying to edit the thing again, and I continue to forget that if you press enter, it enters you in the trade. But I mean, it's not a terrible trade. I wanted to wait until this inversed, this fair value gap. So I got my steps laid out. All right, define your higher time frame bias. Where are we delivering from? Buy side or sell side? In the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and what gaps are we respecting versus disrespecting. That's the first step. Then identify a valid key level. Key levels are unmitigated fair value gaps 5 minutes and up, and high, intermediate highs and intermediate lows inside a fair value gap, right? Then wait for the inversion of a fair value gap for confirmation. The highest time frame inversion, which is our 2-minute inversion of this bearish fair value gap right here, and then enter a market order when the candle closes and inverses the fair value gap. Then target high quality liquidity. Targets is equal highs, equal lows, 15-minute intermediate highs or lows. Session liquidity, unfilled 5-minute, 5-minute and 15-minute fair value gaps. So and then a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and then execute mechanically. We've done none of that so far. So let's hope this continues to go up and take out this high. Where would we be if this? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, 1.3 ratio. Let's see this get taken out. Make some of the money back we had before. Edging us. Come on. Up, go up. But yeah, I feel like the hardest part is step 2, identifying key levels. And then like what does that mean within our execution? No idea. All right, we made our money back and we could have aimed for that higher one. Anyways, 20 minutes of recording. Honestly, I probably won't even like fast forward through any of this. That was a fast day. Lost 2 trades and then made another one. Made 3 trades today. Holy crap. But yeah, I'll see you guys.